If you guys have no idea what it is like to live in Brazil, living in Brazil is having winters like this. Look at this weather. And enjoying a nice Brazilian breakfast by the side of the ones that you love, my family. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you what a typical Brazilian family has for breakfast. So don't go anywhere, stay right there. Subtitled, my name is Mark Saint. It's a beautiful winter sunny day. Yes, you heard it right. It's sunny when it's winter. That's Brazil. We are on the rooftop of our house celebrating life, celebrating family, celebrating love. And I thought, why not showing the guys what it is to have a typical Brazilian breakfast. You will see during this video that many of the things that we have in the morning are no different from what you guys have wherever you live. For example, we have orange juice, we have the famous scrambled eggs. However, what I have put here is a line of olive oil. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but it's delicious. We put some olive oil here. And we have pão de queijo. There you are. Pão de queijo, cheese bun, or cheese bread, as some people prefer to say. Butter, right? We have
On the bread?
most families have bread and butter in the morning and coffee. Believe me, this is the typical breakfast. And you say, well, but that's very poor. Yeah, because our meals tend to be a little different. Lunch and dinner are stronger. Breakfast is it's soft. Yes, we just have a few things. You see all these things here because first, we're making a video for you guys. Second, it's Sunday. So Sunday tends to be different because it's the time we have to spend with our family together.
And it's vacation.
And Manuel is on vacation, right, Manu?
Manuel and mommy.
So, mommy is also on vacation from college, but not from work.
Yeah.
So guys, I'm gonna show you what we normally have, the pastry, so take a look at that.
I wanna have some though.
Yeah, take a look. Oh, so let me get the camera here because I want to show you guys what we're having. Look, as I said, pão de queijo, cheese bun, right? Scrambled eggs.
Cheese bun, not cheese bun.
French roll.
Scrambled eggs, the French roll. Oh, this is the typical Brazilian bread, okay? It's called French roll, pão francês. You can see the name in Portuguese if you're learning Portuguese. So, for my Brazilian Portuguese students, if you're studying Portuguese with me, let me give you the words. Pão de queijo, ovos mexidos, ok? Suco de laranja, geleia, né, mãe?
Jam,
geleia, não em português. Manteiga, guys. Na verdade, essa não é manteiga.
Margarina.
Essa é sabor manteiga, but it's margarina. It's another kind. And we have some kind of other pastries that I bought for Manu. Hey, are you okay? Take a look. This is called Carolina.
Carolina, the name of my teacher.
Carolina.
Yeah. What is the name of that? Do you have this in your country? Please comment. Leave a comment there so I can understand it. Oh, let me show you what it is. A Carolina is like, can you help me, mommy?
Yeah.
It's a small bread. You have some filling inside. I think this is coconut and condensed milk. And you have a cover, a topping, which is chocolate and some coconut, how do you say that?
Oh, pre-sprinkle.
Some coconut sprinkles. But we have other kinds.
These coconut sprinkles is coco ralado, right?
Yes, oh sorry, I forgot to say. So, Carolina, recheio, que é o filling, cobertura de chocolate com coco ralado, which is the coconut sprinkles. Other things that we have. Other things that we have for breakfast. We have carrot and chocolate cake. Manuela loves this.
From the mall.
Manuela loves this. Oh, we have this. This is my favorite. I drink this a lot in the morning. No, I just want to make it clear that no companies that I'm showing the brand are sponsoring the channel, unfortunately. This is called Yakult. It's a kind of fermented milk.
Probiotic.
Probiotic. And
Probiotic.
it tastes like vanilla, so it's really good.
Vanilla and lemon.
And lemon, exactly. So guys, look, I grew up drinking this, okay, when I was a kid. Yakult, exactly. Oh, I grew up having this, so it's delicious. Oh, take a look. We have the milk in the morning. And Fruit Loops, if you guys are from the States or Europe, maybe.
This is the number one best, and this is the second best.
The second best.
And this is the third best.
What are you eating there, Manu?
The fourth.
Show the guys what you're eating.
And this is the.
Oh, let me show you that. So we have, we also have some chocolate milk.
Todinho.
Yeah, that is typical in Brazil. Okay, you buy like this, just put the straw and drink it. Manuela, what are you eating there? Show the guys.
I'm eating a bread with scrambled eggs.
Bread with the scrambled egg. So guys, if you want to have a typical Brazilian breakfast, you cannot forget this. The bread. The bread is everywhere.
Oh, morning.
And let me show you the day. This is the winter day that we have in Brazil.
Grava isso aqui, pai.
And I forgot to go to the church.
Look,
Ó, vai.
this is the winter day.
Fechando.
Oh, Thalia's filling the cheese bread or cheese bun with jam.
Pepper jam.
Pepper jam, exactly. Let me show the guys. This is not a Brazilian brand, so you guys might know. Pimenta vermelha, so it's the red pepper, red chili pepper. Look at that.
Red chili jelly.
Is it good, mommy? Delicious.
Red chili jelly.
Man, all this talk is making me hungry, so I'm gonna leave the camera right here and I'm gonna enjoy breakfast with my family. And you guys, of course. Leave a comment. Have you ever had the Brazilian breakfast? Probably in hotels, right?
I have.
So when you were here, what did you eat? Manu, I'm gonna try to, yes, now you're appearing.
I had Brazilian typical food my whole life.
Yeah, Manu, come a little, okay. So guys, as I said, the typical Brazilian normally, well, let me change this.
I take my nails, guys.
She's getting good at this, by the way. She's painting her toenails and her fingernails really well.
And mommy's toenails.
Yes.
Not only Daddy. Daddy escapes from this.
I will paint your nails.
No!
Yeah.
So guys, the French roll, as I said. Take a look. The scrambled eggs with French roll.
Yes.
Remember, there is a line of olive oil once they are prepared. Don't forget to try, it's delicious. Mmm.
Guys, something that I don't like from the French roll that has this thing. So when I bite it, it hurts like it goes here. So
She's talking about the crumbs. They are crunchy. Normally, French rolls are crunchy, and this is what I love the most.
Yeah, we're different.
Is everything okay?
We also consume yogurt in the morning.
Danone.
We call. Sorry. Not a good idea to speak with the mouth full, right?
Não pode.
Guys, we have iogurte, if you're learning Brazilian Portuguese, iogurte, or some people call Danone. Danone is the company that produces, but it became the name of the product. This happens a lot in Brazil. Like Xerox became a reference to a photocopy. Sorry. Delicious. Guys, what do you have for breakfast in your country? Leave a comment. I want to read everything. Let's exchange culture. Let's exchange information. I also want to say that if this is your first time watching a video here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is a channel that focuses on talking about Brazil in English all the way. There is no Portuguese here except for those who want to learn Portuguese. Sometimes I leave some tips. I have my own course. If you guys want to know, visit this Instagram account, Portuguese with Mark Saint. We also have an Instagram account from the channel that is somewhere up here. Take a look at it. We're gonna have backstage pictures and everything else that does not appear on this channel. Visit our Patreon account if you guys want to support us somehow. Visit the Patreon account. I want to say we have broken the 4,000 hour barrier thanks to you guys, and to say how much we are thankful for everything you've done. We want to applaud your support. So let's go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Without you guys, this wouldn't have been possible. With the 4,000 hour barrier broken, new products come to the channel. Now we're gonna have a community. We're gonna have a community for this channel pretty soon, so you'll be able to join and receive new products. So just keep an eye on the channel. Exactly what Brazilians have. Brazilians have everything that you're seeing here. However, during the week, life tends to be really busy.
Yeah.
So guys, but normally Brazilians just have milk and coffee, or just coffee, or chocolate milk, and they leave to work. But then when it's lunchtime, it's a big feast, big feast. I can make another video showing the Brazilian lunch. If you guys are interested, just leave a comment, say that you want to see, and also the dinner. Remember, breakfast is not the priority here in Brazil, which is a shame in my opinion, because you have spent 8 hours sleeping without consuming anything, so you needed to have something stronger, right? But usually lunch and dinner.
But we have like stuff, a lot of stuff in the breakfast, right, Daddy?
We're different, right? No?
Yeah, we're different Brazilians.
I mean, there are a lot of Brazilians who eat really well in the morning.
I mean,
I
you.
can't.
We can't generalize, right?
Done.